Hello everyone. Today we are making 5 moong dal recipes which can be served either as breakfast or as a snack. Initially we need 2 cups of whole or split moong dal and a half cup of raw rice. Soak them for 6 to 7 hours and blend them to a paste by using the soaked water, and also add 2 to 3 green chili and 1 inch of ginger while blending the paste. Try to make the batter just like a idli dosa batter consistency, and try to make it as a fermented by fermenting it for about 8 hours or overnight in a warm place. Initially we are going to make Moongdal Idly. After fermentation, take 2 ladleful of batter into a bowl and add enough water and salt to make the idli recipe. Mix the batter by adding quarter cup of coriander leaves, a quarter cup of grated carrot. Now we are going to make a seasoning. Take a tadka, add 2 tablespoons of oil, heat it, and then goes mustard seeds, a tablespoon, cumin seed, a tablespoon, urad dal, a tablespoon, pinch of hing, and 10 curry leaves. Just give a nice splatter and then switch off the flame and add this tadka into the idli batter. Give a nice stir to blend this tadka in the idli mix. Then take the idli molds, grease it with oil, and then fill the molds with the batter and start steaming in the steamer for about 15 minutes by adding a glass of water into a steamer. Once the steaming is done, let it cool down and take out the idli molds and separate the idlis and serve into a bowl or a plate along with your favorite dipping sauce or with the chutneys. Now the second recipe is Moongdal Dosa. Take 2 ladleful of Moongdal batter and mix it up with enough water and salt to make the dosa batter. Now grease a crepe pan or dosa pan with oil, heat it, and spread the batter in a circular way around the griddle and make it like a dosa and drizzle tablespoon of oil. Allow the dosa to fry until it turns light golden color. Then flip it to the other side and just give a 20 seconds of frying, and then take out from the pan and serve with your favorite dipping sauce or ginger chutney, which is the perfect combo. Garnish it with extra chopped onion, and a few coriander leaves, and a few chopped green chili to make it more spicy and flavorful. Here is the moonglet recipe, which is the vegetarian omelette from the moongdal batter. Take 2 ladleful of moongdal batter into mixing bowl. Add half cup chopped capsicum, half cup of chopped onion, a quarter cup of coriander leaves, a quarter cup of grated carrot, tablespoon of cumin powder, a tablespoon of turmeric, tablespoon of pepper, and a quarter cup of chopped tomato. And finally, a spoon of water to adjust the consistency, and finally, salt to taste. Mix all these contents well, and then take the skillet, heat it, and grease the pan with butter. Spread the batter into the skillet. Flatten the batter with a spatula to spread the batter equally into the skillet, and then close the lid. Allow it to fry for 5 to 6 minutes. And if you find the batter is turning to golden, then flip it to the other side. Give a diagonal cuts in between the omelette and spread some more butter and allow it to fry on that side. It may take 5 more minutes, and if you find the other side is golden yellow, then take out from the pan and serve it with extra butter, pepper, and parsley as topping. And enjoy your vegetable omelette with this moong dal recipe. Here is the Moongdal pancake or cutlet recipe. Take 2 ladleful of Moongdal batter into a mixing bowl. Add 1 cup of chopped capsicum, 1 cup of chopped onion, a quarter cup of coriander leaves, a quarter cup of grated carrot, and salt for taste, a tablespoon of cumin powder, a tablespoon turmeric, pepper, and extra 1/4 cup of rice flour to adjust the consistency to make pancakes. Mix the contents well and try to make a ball. If you are able to make a ball, then the batter is ready to make pancake. Grab a skillet, heat it and grease with butter and take 1/4 portion of the batter and spread the batter into the pancake as many as you get. Either fry them together or separately. Drizzle a tablespoon of oil on top of it. Once the pancakes are spread, and allow it to fry until it turns light golden color. Then, if you find it is ready to flip, then flip to the other side and fry till it turns golden side on the other side. Once they are done, just take out from the skillet and add a tablespoon of sesame seeds as toppings, and you can use them even for 3 to 4 days without refrigeration. Here is the final recipe where the batter will be the last content. So the remaining batter we are going to make the fermented Moongdal fritters where the batter is mixed up with the chopped onion, a quarter cup and few curry leaves, few coriander leaves, 2 to 3 chopped green chili and a salt for taste and a tablespoon of cumin seeds. Just drop the batter in the form of fritters in oil which is preheated to 350. Fry the fritters until it turns golden brown and take out from the oil, drain it and have it.